so this is properties of logs where we're asked to expand each logarithm. So it's written in the condensed form and we're going to expand it. Multiplication means addition, so it would be log of 6 plus log of 11. Number 2, again, multiplication means addition, so log of 5 plus log of 3. I haven't gone any farther than that because these are all base 10, and these aren't ones we know. It's not like we know 10 to what power is 6. It's going to be some kind of a decimal answer. So we would only keep going if it was like log of 100. We know that log of 100 is 10 to what power is 100, because the space is 10. And we know that x is 2. So on that one we would say, oh, we know that that's 2, but we don't know any of these. All right, let's go to the next one, number 3. We know, first of all, that this exponent is going to get moved to the front. So we get 5 times the log of 6 divided by 11. Okay. Now remember that this 5 goes with this whole thing. So that then when I separate this, it's 5 times the log of 6 minus 5 times the log of 11. Okay, because that 5 went with this whole thing. So look at this next one. We have the log of 3 plus the log of 2 cubed. That cubed only went with the 2. Now that cube is going to move to the front, and we get log 3 plus 3 log of 2. Okay, I'll circle my final answers here. Right, let's go to number 5. Got log of 2 to the 4th minus log of 5, because notice that 4 only went with the 2. It wasn't like the 5, where the 5 went with both of them. That's why we have the 5 with both the log of 6 and the log of 11. This 4 is only with the 2. That 4 can now be moved to the front. 4 log of 2 minus log of 5. Now this 6 goes with both. So here I pulled the exponent first and then separated. This time I'm going to separate first. Log of 6 to the 6th minus log of 5 to the 6th, because this 6 goes with both. Now I'm going to pull the 6 out in front. 6 log of 6 minus 6 log of 5. Let's go to number 7. Notice the 6 only goes with the y, so I've got log of x minus log of y to the 6th. And then I pull that out. Log of x minus 6 log of y. Now this exponent goes with both the a and the b. So if I pull it out in front, I then have to remember when I separate these that the 2 goes with both. Or I could write log of a to the 2nd plus log of b to the 2nd. I could separate this first, but remembering that the 2 does stay with each. Now I'm going to pull the 2 out to the front. 2 log of a plus 2 log of b. Well, let's go to number 9. This 4 is only with the u. So log of u to the 4th minus log of v. 4 goes out in front. 4 log of u minus log of v. Number 10, notice that 5 is only with the y, so I've got log of x minus log of y to the 5th Now I can pull the 5 out in front, get log of x minus 5 log of y. Alright, number 11. This cube root goes with each of these. So I'm going to write log of cube root of x plus log cube root of y plus log cube root of z. And I know that the cube root could be to the 1/3, so log x to the 1/3 plus log of y to the 1/3 plus log of z to the 1/3. And I'm going to pull that 1/3 out in front. Now some people might have wanted to do that 1/3 first and said, oh, this is log of x, y, z to the 1/3, and skipped this step here and gone from this step to there. There's lots of ways you can do this. We get 1/3 log of x plus 1/3 log of y plus 1/3 log of z. Right, number 12. That squared only goes with the z, so I've got log of x plus log of y plus log of z squared, and that 2 goes out in front, so I get log of x plus log of y plus 2 log of z. That's the first page. Let's go on to the second page. Number 13. So for number 13, now they are expanded and we're going to condense them. Remember that subtraction means division, so log of 3/8. And that's all that we can do to that. Okay? Alright, for this next one, log of 6 divided by 3, I'm going to rewrite that as 1/3 times the log of 6, because this is not log of 6/3. That's not what this says. This says log of 6 all divided by 3. These are not equal to each other. These are different. So this means 1/3 times the log of 6. So then that 1/3 is going to move to here, and it becomes log of 6 to the 1/3, which is the log of the cube root of 6. Alright, it's going to move to there, and this 4 is going to move to here, and the subtraction becomes division. So log of 3 to the 4th over 8 to the 4th. And since these are all meant to be non-calculator, that's as far as you have to go. Right? Log of 2 times 11 times 7. So that's log, let's see, that's 22. It's 22 times 7. Log of 154. Right, this next one. Log of 7 divided by, this is going to be here, 12 squared. So that's log of 7 over 144. Right, this 3, well this 2/3, this is 2/3 times the log of 7. So that's going to become an exponent. Comes the log of the cube root of 7 squared. We can leave it like that. Okay. Let's see, this 6 is going to go to here, and this 6 is going to go to there, and the addition becomes multiplication, log base 3, u to the 6th over v to the 6th. oh, not over, it's not it's not subtraction, it's multiplication, so it's addition. I'm sorry. I mean, since it's addition, it's multiplication, like that. I meant to do multiplication rather than division. All right, now this is subtraction. This is where we want to divide. But that 4 is going to move and be the exponent, so we have the natural log of x divided by y to the 4th. Next one, we're almost finished. 21. Let's see, that 6 is going to move to be an exponent. Subtraction is division. Log base 4 of u divided by v to the 6th. This 5 becomes an exponent, and this subtraction becomes division. So log base 3 of u over v to the 5th. This 20 becomes an exponent, this 5 becomes an exponent, and the addition becomes multiplication. So we have log of u to the 20th, v to the 5th. And our very last problem, this 4 becomes an exponent, and 20 becomes an exponent, and the subtraction becomes division. So we have log base 3 of u to the 4th over v to the 20th. And we could put parentheses to show that all of that's 1. I think it's pretty understood that it is. Okay, and that's it.